Okay, so here we have created this hashmap object. Inside this hashmap object, we have stored list of integer value and list of string value as well. So in hashmap, what we have to mention, key and the value. So key, it depends on you. So generally we are taking that key as a string. So for example, there is name variable. So inside name will store some name, right? So that name will be in string format, so that's why we are taking that key data type as a string. And this one is, second one is your value. So if your value is like earlier you have stored some string value, later you want to store some integer value and some list of string or any type of value, so for that place we'll use this object one. So if you want to store different data types in that same object, so you have to mention that value data type as a object. So as you see here we have created list of integer object and list of string object, right? In object, so this object will consider this list of string and this list of integer both, right? So we have added this like if you want to add any value into map, so we have this put method. Okay, so with the help of put method, first we'll mention the key name and then we have to mention our value, whatever value we want to store in that object. So first key, then value. So this is the key, this is the second key. If we'll run this program, we got the output here. Okay, so here, see here, what like we have created this hash map object. So what is the difference between hash map and linked hash map? So in hash map, their order is not preserved. Not preserved means, if you see here, first place we have added list, our key name is list, and inside this list we have added list of integer. But in output, first we got the string value, right? And second we have that list of integer, this one. So in hash map, their order is not preserved. The way we are storing the value, it will not return that value in that same order. It will return that value in any random order. So that's why we got list in second place and we got this one string list in first place. And how to get any value via key, like in array, when you are using array, you have their index. Via index number you can retrieve that value, like arr of 0, it means it will return the first value. Arr of 4th, it means it will return the fifth value, right? Array index always start with 0. The same way, when we are using this map, so in map, key via their key you can get those value. So if you want to retrieve this list, what we have to do, map dot get, and inside this get method we have to mention the key name. So what is our key name? Our key name is list. So if we'll do this one, if we'll do this map dot get and this list, let me add someone. Yeah, so if we'll do, yeah, let me add this is out statement, map dot get and the key name. So our key name is list. If we'll run this program, we will get the output 8769867, the value we have added in that list of integer, right? If we want to retrieve this one string one, we'll do that same thing, this out, then map dot get and the key name. So our key name is string list. Okay, let me run this program again. We'll get the output list of string. Got it? So any doubt on this array list object and this map object? Now it is clear now. What is the difference between array list and map? Any doubt on these two topics? Okay. Okay. So now we'll discuss the second topic. Yeah, now we'll discuss the set one. Wait. Before moving to this, let me show you some program for map as well. Okay. Where is our package? Non-primitive, yeah, here. Okay. Let me add some note as well. We'll create a new one. Okay. We'll add some note for map and the array list. Okay. Let me drag this star. So in array list, let me bold this one. In array list, we can store only one type of data, right? Either integer, long, double, any one of them, right? Array list is flexible. Okay, flexible means their size is not mandatory. Okay, it will, and their order is preserved. It means the way the way you are storing value into array list, it will return that value in same order. For example, first place you have stored 10, then 56, then 78, 45, 23, 34. You will get that output in this same order. So it is their order is preserved. All right. Now we'll move to map. In map, we can store different types of data in same map object. Okay, same like array list, map is also flexible. You don't have to mention any size for that object. Okay, so if you'll add 10 value, if you'll add 20 value, 30 value, there is no limit on that one. You can add a number of value into that object. So map is also flexible. Their size is not mandatory. Okay, in HashMap, when we'll go for HashMap, their order is not preserved. Okay, and when you'll go for linked HashMap, their order is preserved. So if we'll add some value into that object, you will get that data in that same order. So if you have 56, 78, 65, 43, you will get that data in the same order. Okay, but in HashMap, it will return in any random, it will return any random data, any random data. Okay, in same order. All right, so that this is the difference between array list and map. Got it? We have seen their program as well. So now we'll see some like inside map we have different methods. So we'll see their program also. So map, so in map we have to mention there. So this map came under which package? Java.util package. Okay, so in map first we have to mention the key and the value. So key, will take key as a string, value as a object, because in map we can store any type of data. First one is our key, second is our name. So with the place of this string you can mention this object as well. So their key and value both you can choose any type, like you can choose any type of key or any type of value. Okay, so if we'll mention here object, you can give any key like string, integer, anyone. The same in value as well. All right, map equal to new, let me drag this, new hash map. Okay, so if we'll do just map and dot, so they will give you all the methods that you have in this map. So we have this, we have seen this get method, right? We have this equals method as well. So they will do what? They will compare. So in a string we have that equals method, right? So they will compare the same way that the string dot equals method is comparing one value with the different one. So in map, if he'll pass some key, then they will compare that value with this map object, whether they have that value or not. We have seen this get method as well. We have this is empty method, so it will check whether that map is empty or not empty. Same, we have this put method for storing any value into that. We have this put all. So in array list we have one add and add all method. The same way in map we have this put and put all. Okay, so what this put all will do? So if you have this map object, so this one is map 1, this one is map 2. If you want to add this whole map object to this one, so at that place we'll use that put all method. Okay, map 2 dot. All right, then we have this remove method. Remove will do what? So first place we have added this 876, second place we have added this sorry, first place we have this one string list. So if you want to remove this value, so via that their key, so let me copy this to see here. We have this list of integer, we have this list of string, and we have this map object. So inside map we have two key and their value. One is list, their value, string list and their value. So if you want to remove, let me do this map dot. Okay, if you want to remove any, like if you want to remove this list, if you want to remove this string list, So you can use these methods. So if you see here, we have this remove method. All right. So we have two remove method. One contain object key. So we have two options. First option is we have to pass only key in argument. So if you want to remove this list, we'll do what? Map dot remove and the key name. Key name is list. It will remove that data as well. We have one more remove method. This one. So in this remove method, we have to pass both key and value. Then they will remove that data. So here we have to pass the key name. What is our key name? List. And in value we have to pass the same value that we have added earlier. Okay. So this is the use of this remove method. Okay. Map dot. Now we have this replace method as well. Replace method will do what? So in this with this list key, you have added this value. If you want to replace this list with different value, you can replace that with this replace method. Okay. So they will replace that value associated with that key. So if we'll pass that key name and if we'll pass that value, they will replace that value with the latest one. Okay. And we have one more replace method, this one. So here we have to pass key, value and the old value, new value. So we'll pass three parameter in this replace object. First one is our key name, second one is our old value, and third one is our new value. So they will replace old value with new value. And same way we have that replace all function. So if we'll use this replace all function, they will replace all the value. Okay. If you have this list, if you have this string list, so they will replace all the value with that the value you'll pass in this method. Got it? So this is the use of this remove method, replace method, right? Okay. And we have mentioned that thing already linked order is preserved or is not preserved. Okay. So we have given this, okay, map one dot put. We have this put method. We'll give this key name as A and we'll give value 10. Okay. Then map one dot put. We'll give key B value 20. Map one dot put. Okay. 1 and 30. Okay. Map one. Okay, wait. Map one dot put this method name so if you see here I have used character data type for this key. Here we have string data type as a key, here we have integer data type as a key, and here we have again string data type as a key. So here I have stored integer. Let me store here boolean value. Then we have again integer. Then we have string. So as I have mentioned, key and value both you can choose any type. So our first key is data type is character. Second key data type is string. Third key data type is integer. Fourth key data type is string. The same way, first value, what is the data type of this value? Integer. Then we have boolean, then we have integer, then we have string. So you can choose any data type in key and object, and you can store different set of data with any keys. Okay, if we'll print this map object, we'll get the output. See, a equal to 10, 1 equal to 30, b equal to true, and name equal to Amish. We got the output here. All right, let me add this note here. Wait. You can take any type of key and value, and you can take different keys, sorry, different keys and value in same map object. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so you can take different keys and value in that same map object. All right, let me mark it with red, star with black. Okay, so let me map and array list and map, array list and map. Okay, save 30. Okay, today I will share all the program for this non-primitive one. So now we'll go for second one. Where is that? No, it's not opening. Yeah. Where is that? Yeah. So we have discussed this array list, we have discussed this map. Now we'll go for this set. Okay. Let me open that empty notepad again. Sorry, empty notepad, paint. Okay, the same way we have discussed list and their implementation class array list. Then we have discussed map and their hash map class, and we have discussed linked hash map. Okay, in set set is what? Set is, say again, set is an interface, and their implementation is available in their implementation class. So we have hash set and we have linked hash set, the same way that we have discussed in map. So hash set order is not preserved, linked hash set order is preserved. Okay, so inside set, so if we are creating any uh, object of for this set, so inside set we can store only one type of data. The same way we are storing that value in array list, in set we will store that value in same manner, like with same data type we can store that value. But inside set we have some methods that will use, like that is not available in our array list, this linked hash set. So hash set, it will store that data in, like their order is not preserved, their order is preserved. And there is one more thing, in set you can't add any duplicate value. As in array, if you are creating any array object, you can add duplicate value, right? Let me create one class. Set example1. Okay, so how to create set object? Set, again, set came under which package? Java.util package. All collections related thing, set, hash map, linked hash map, list, array list, all came under this java.util package, right? So after writing this set one, in this angle bracket we have to mention the data type of this set. If you want to store integer value, okay, if you want to store this integer value, we have to mention that, and equal to new. Again we have to, like say for set we have their implementation class. So first we'll see this hash set. Okay, so we have created this hash set object here. Now set dot add, the same way we are adding any value into array list, we have add method. So in set we have that same add method. So here I have added 10. Okay, again set dot add, I have added 20, and set dot add, I have again added 20 here. Okay, now let me create list. Okay, integer list equal to new array list. Okay, we'll add that same value in list as well. So at the place of set we'll write list and list, right? Now I'm printing both object, this out. So this is our list and this out set. Let me add someone. So here first we are printing the list object, and then we are printing set object. All right, we have added same value. First place I have added 10, then 20, then 20, and in set object we have added that same 10, 20, 20. Now let's see the output. if you see here, list we got 10, 20 and 20. First place we have 10, second place we have 20, third place we have 20. But if you see here, in set we got 20 and 10. Why we got 20 and 10? Because in set duplicate value is not allowed. Okay, that is the difference between set and array list. Got it? That is the main difference. In set you cannot add any duplicate value. Like in list you can add any duplicate value, but in set you can't add any duplicate value. So for set we have has set, like set is an interface and their implementation class is has set, linked has set, right? So has set, in has set same order is not preserved, right? Because first we have added 10, but in output we got 20 here. Why we got 20? Because has set order is not preserved. So if we'll use linked has set, so their order is preserved. Preserved means the way, the same order you have added some value like 10, 20, 20, like in linked list. Sorry, not in linked list, in array list. In array list you have added 10, 20, 20. You got that output in that same order 10, 20, 20. But in set, if you use has set, you will get the data in different order. You have added the data in this order 10, 20, 20, but you got output in different order. When we'll go for linked has set, it will return that data in same order. All right, so that is the difference between array list and set. Set you can't add any duplicate data. Okay, let me show you one more example. Like I have created one string type of object now. I will create some different object as well. Set string. Okay, set to equal to new asset. All right, set dot add. So first I'm adding this value, right? Sorry, set to, yeah, set to dot add. Now I'm adding this one, set to dot add. Okay, so I have these three value. Missed this one, yeah. This out, set to. Okay, if I'll run this program, we got these two. So if you see, they are here in this set. Wait, one is in capital order. See, we have first we'll see this one, then we'll go for the capital and small one. So here first place I have added Amis, second place I have added Amis, third place I have added Yadav. So this string is same, so this is duplicate. So in set we can't add any duplicate value, so that's why they have removed one value and then we got only one Amis here, right? Now I'm adding this Amis in capital letter. Okay, if you see here we got the output. Why? Because this is case sensitive. The duplicacy in set, the duplicacy they are checking for they are also checking for the capital and small letter. So in, like when you are in programming, for each character, each number and each symbol, we have their ASCII value. By their ASCII value they are checking whether that value is in which format, right? So for small letter we have their ASCII value, for capital letter we have their ASCII value, right? So if you want to see, here this 0 ASCII value of this one. So we have ABCD, right? Yeah, see, capital letter A ASCII value start with 65 and small letter ASCII value start with 97. So that is the difference here. So they are comparing with their ASCII value. They are checking, okay, whether this 65 or this A ASCII value is same or not, right? So if we like if I'll add this AMIS and then H in capital letter, they will give that same result, like total 3 value, because this H is in small but this H is in capital letter. Why? Because small h ASCII value is 104 and capital H ASCII value is 72. That's why it will consider both AMI's value as a different value. If it is in lowercase, then there is no issue. But if there is any capital letter in that same string, they will consider that string as a different one. Okay, so by their ASCII value they are comparing it. In next class I will show you some program related to that ASCII value. Okay, so we'll see some string program, and for symbol, like if you want to, so we have different symbol, right? Not operator, this double quote string, hash, dollar, percentage, and single quote, this parenthesis, star, plus. You can find, you can like if you want to, if you have some value, if you have some character, and if you want to print any symbol, any number, anything, then you can do that with the help of these ASCII value. All right, so tomorrow we'll see some program related to this ASCII. So today we'll finish this set and linked hash set, then we'll go for that program. Okay, so got it now? In this set we can't add any duplicate value. So in like before this set we have seen map. So map we have two things, key and value. So we have to mention to like when we are creating any hash map object, we have to mention their key data type and the value data type. But in set it is set, you can say like some like almost property same like array list, but we have two three things that is in extra in set, that duplicate one, and that hash set order is not preserved, linked hash set order is preserved. So these are the difference between these two. Okay, now so we have seen this hash set one. Now we'll go for linked hash set. So same set and the data type, set 3 equal to new linked hash set. Okay, set 3 dot add 34. Let me copy. Oh, I have copied multiple times. Yeah, 34 7 3 36 34 39 and 48, right? Let me print this out. So this is our set 3 object, and then set 3, right? Let me run this program. If you see, we got 34 36 39 48. We have added 34 two times, but it is duplicate value, that's why it got removed from that set object. So we got only 134. See the order, 34 first place we have 34, we got 34. Then we have 36, we got 36. Then we have 39 because the 34 is not applicable, it got removed because it is duplicate one. After 36 we have 39, we got 39. Then we have 48, we got 48, right? So this is our linked hash set. So duplicate is not allowed in this linked hash set as well. So the same way in this set we have different methods. As we have seen those methods in array list, it is almost same. We have add all. We have this clear method. Clear will do what? Clear will remove all the value from this list, right? By their name it is specifying like what is the use of that method. Same way we have this remove method. Then we have this size method. If you want to check the size, we have this one also. Okay. So inside collections we have some stream concept, stream, and some like once we'll finish the stack and the other part as well, then we'll go for this stream one and the iterator one. So earlier we have for if you want to iterate some value from any array list or any list of integer or list of anything, right? So we are using some for loop like while, do while, for loop, and we have used uh, for each loop as well, right? So after discussing those collections topic, we'll discuss iterator one as well, and we'll see how to use the stream and all. Like we have stream API, so we'll see their program as well, right? So we have different methods in this set as well. So just try to practice those one. Okay. So as of now, we in collections we have covered array list, we have covered hash map, linked hash map, and in set we have discussed linked hash set and hash set, right? So any doubt up to this, whatever we have discussed now? Okay, just let me run this program. See, we got this value. Okay, so that's it for today. So tomorrow we'll discuss some ASCII value program, and we'll discuss the next topic in collections. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.